13 million. Yan ang pinaka-affordable na property na pwedeng makuha here in Park McKinley West.
So this is a 35 square meter, 1-bedroom unit with balcony here at Park McKinley West. This unit is available on rent-to-own terms and need mo lang mag-down ng 1.2 million para magamit yung unit. This is also available in cash with 20% discount subject for approval. So interested? Comment mo lang 1-bedroom so I can send you the full details. Si Park McKinley West ay strategically located inside the 85 hectares combined township ng McKinley Hill and McKinley West. The number one thing why I love this project is dahil nga sa kanyang mall sa baba, kaya everything is in your reach na. In terms of location, surrounded ka na ng mga naglalakihang business district. Like eto nga Makati Business Center, Ortigas Business District, and Bonifacio Global City. Aside from business districts, marami ring schools and universities ang nakasurround sa area. 6 km lang din ang project from the NAIA International Airport. For more details, message me directly. This is Mark, your trusted realtor. Thank you.